Today we're at the Flower Bed Nursery in Lumberton, Mississippi, looking for ways to add interest to your front porch with colorful hanging baskets.
Supertunia petunias have mounding trailing growth habits and function as both fillers and spillers in containers. Like Supertunias, Superbells have mounding trailing growth habits. They are both best grown in containers where soil moisture can be more easily controlled, since they don't tolerate consistently wet soils. The plants are low maintenance with no deadheading needed. They will do best if fertilized on a regular basis. Superbells Grape Punch and Superbells Yellow, planted with Supertunia Persimmon, make an outstanding hanging basket combo. The color contrast of orange and yellow warm sunset colors with the purple is mesmerizing. Another great hanging basket combination is Supertunia Vista Fuchia, Snow Princess, and Laguna Compact Blue with Eye. The pink color of Supertunia Vista Fuchia pops with the beautiful blue flowers with white eyes of Laguna Compact Blue with Eye, and the cascading white flowers of Snow Princess. If you are looking for something different and unique, try a goldfish plant. The dark green leaves provide a backdrop for the orange flowers that resemble a tiny goldfish.
Consistent watering and fertilizing will keep these baskets colorful all summer long. I am horticulturist Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.